After performing regular maintenance on any vehicle, you'll want to reset the service indicator in the instrument cluster. Today we are highlighting the service reminder interval reset on a 2018 Porsche Panamera 4. Before beginning the procedure, confirm time and date in vehicle matches the diagnostic tester. Launch diagnostics. Tap European. Tap Porsche. Tap Diagnostic. Confirm vehicle information is correct. Tap to continue. Tap Individual System Search. Tap Information and Communication System. Tap Instrument Cluster. Confirm vehicle information is correct. Press Enter to continue. Tap Special Function. Tap Service Reset. Choose an option to reset. We'll select Oil Change Reset. The reset is complete. Press Enter to continue. The instrument cluster confirms that the procedure has been completed successfully.